Betty, can we talk?
No, I'm getting some food and I'm going home. Please tell Charlie that I'm sorry.
At least let me pay for your present.
No, I don't want anything from you. Okay, $1. Thank you.
You're welcome. Betty, here, I know you like extra
Listen, Walter and it wasn't about you. I broke up with him because I wasn't in love with him anymore, and I don't know why I blamed it on you. Maybe it was easier.
Well, if you didn't love him, then you did the right thing. Timing sucks. Well, now you'll probably meet someone new. Someone who'll see how wonderful you are. And caring. And beautiful.